Welcome to science class. This is the continuation class of electricity lesson. In this class, I am going to explain about electric power. In general, power is defined as the rate of doing work or rate of spending energy. Similarly, the electric power is defined as the rate of consumption of electrical energy. It represents the rate at which the electrical energy is converted into some other form of energy. So power equal to V into I. Suppose a current I flows through a conductor of resistance R for a time T, then the potential difference across the two ends of the conductor is V. The work done to move the charge across the ends of the conductor is given by the equation W equal to VIT. Power P equal to work by time. Here the value of W is substituted in this equation. V by I, VIT by T equal to P equal to VI. That means power equal to VI. So the electric power is the product of the electric current I and the potential difference V due to which the current passes in a circuit. Unit of electric power. The SI unit of electric power is watt. When a current of 1 ampere passes across the ends of a conductor, which is at a potential difference of 1 volt, then the electric power is P equal to 1 volt into 1 ampere equal to 1 watt. 1 watt is the power consumed when an electric device is operated at a potential difference of 1 volt and it carries a current of 1 ampere. A larger unit of power which is more commonly used is kilowatt. Horsepower. The horsepower HB is a unit in the foot-pound second. That means FES system or English system. Sometimes used to express the electric power. Horsepower equal to 746 watt. Consumption of electrical energy. Electricity is consumed both in houses and industries. Consumption of electricity is based on two factors: amount of electric power and duration of usage. Electrical energy consumed is taken as the product of electric power and time of usage. For example, if 100 watt of electric power is consumed for 2 hours, so power consumed equal to 100 watt into 2 hours equal to 200 watt hour. Consumption of electrical energy is measured and expressed in watt hour. Its SI unit is watt second. In practice, a larger unit of electrical energy is needed. The larger unit is kilowatt hour. 1 kilowatt hour is otherwise known as 1 unit of electrical energy. 1 kilowatt hour means that an electric power of 1000 watt has been utilized for an hour. So 1 kilowatt equal to 1000 watt hour equal to 1000 into 60 into 60 watt second equal to 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 watt second. Domestic electric circuits. The electricity produced in power stations is distributed to all the domestic and industrial consumers through overhead and underground cables. This diagram which shows the electricity generation, transmission and distribution. In our homes, electricity is distributed the domestic electric circuits wired by electricians. The first stage of circuit is to bring power supply to the main box from the distribution panel such as transformer. A transformer is a passive electrical device that transfers electrical energy from one electrical circuit to another or multiple circuits. The important components of the main box are a fuse box and a meter box. The meter box is used to record the consumption of electrical energy. In this figure, the meter box is shown. The fuse box contains either a fuse wire or a miniature circuit breaker MCB. In this figure, the fuse and the MCB are shown. The function of fuse wire or MCB is to protect the household electrical appliances from overloading due to excess current. An MCB is a switching device which can be activated automatically as well as manually. It has a spring attached to the switch which is attracted by electromagnet when an excess current passes through the circuit. Hence the circuit is broken and the protection of the appliance is ensured. In this figure, MCB is shown. Hence the circuit is broken and the protection of appliance is ensured. The electricity is brought to houses by two insulated wires. Out of these two wires, one wire has a red insulation which is known as live wire. The other wire has a black insulation. It is called neutral wire. Here, different types of wire in electric circuit are shown. Red wire is known as live wire. Black wire is known as neutral wire and green wire is known as earth wire. The electricity supplied to our house is actually an alternating current having electric potential of 220 volt. Both the live wire and the neutral wire ended into a box where the main fuse is connected with the live wire. After the electricity meter, these wires enter into a main switch which is used to discontinue the electricity supply whenever required. After the main switch, these wires are connected to live wires of two separate circuits. Out of these two circuits, one circuit is a 5 ampere rating which is used to run electric appliances with a low power rating, such as tube lights, bulbs, and fans. The other circuit is of 15 ampere rating, which is used to run electric appliances with a high power rating, such as air conditioners, refrigerators, electric iron, and heaters. It should be noted that all the circuits in a house are connected in parallel, so that the disconnection of one circuit does not affect the other circuit. One more advantage of parallel connection of circuits is that electrical appliance gets an equal voltage. In India, domestic circuits are supplied with an alternating current of potential 220 or 230 volt and the frequency 50 Hz. Students, I hope you have understood the electric power, consumption of electrical energy, and domestic electric circuits. Thank you.